Turning now to markets, the Nikkei 225 closed lower on Wednesday, ending a 6-day winning streak. And our business reporter at the Tokyo Stock Exchange, Phoebe Amoroso, has the details. Phoebe, tell us what went on.
Jean, after the Nikkei gained more than 9% last week, many investors decided it was time to take money off the table. What's more, as we've been reporting, the IMF has revised downwards its global growth forecast for the next year, and that's also weighing on sentiment. Let's see the closing levels for this Wednesday, July the 20th. The Nikkei closed down by 0.25%, finishing at 16,681, and the broader topics fell 0.05%. Looking at individual stocks, we saw lower commodity prices hit chemical and resource-related shares. So steelmaker JFE Holdings was down nearly 4%. Sumitomo Chemical fell 2.63%, and Tokuyama was down 5.94%. Other metal producers also struggled today. Dowa Holdings was down 0.53% and Mitsubishi Materials was down 1.84%. That's on reports of double-digit drops in operating profits for the last quarter due to falling metal prices. And Nintendo shares ran out of Pokemon power, crashing 12.61%, despite rumors that the game Pokemon Go would finally be released in Japan today. Nintendo stock has more than doubled over the past 7 sessions due to the game's record-breaking success. On the positive side today, though, shares of McDonald's have jumped 9.84%. on reports that it would become Pokemon Go's first sponsor. McDonald's fast food restaurants across Japan may become gyms where gamers can battle it out. Turning now to currencies, the dollar retreated against the yen in morning trading, slipping below the 106 yen level. The pair is now holding steady at 106.16. And the British pound is now at $1.31. It fell against the dollar after the IMF's decision to slash Britain's economic growth forecast by nearly 1 percentage point. Moving to markets across the Asia-Pacific region, a bit of a mixed picture. Australian shares closed up by 0.62%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng is currently trading up 0.88%, but the Shanghai Composite is currently trading down by 0.2%. So there's been a bit of a downturn in market sentiment today, especially as the IMF warns of further uncertainty ahead. Analysts say there's also a fair amount of caution ahead of Japan's corporate earnings season. And investors will have an eye on the European Central Bank policy meeting on Thursday. Jean, it's back to you.
Phoebe, thanks very much for that. Phoebe Amoroso reporting for us live from the Tokyo Stock Exchange.